Welcome back to RotoCityTech, and today we are going to switch things up, and Kelsey is actually going to be recording a vlog for the upcoming week. She's going to go camping by herself in the Wolf Pup. I am taking her to the lake to meet up with my sister and her family, and then I will be joining them in a couple days. So stay tuned, and we're going to let Kelsey take over from here.
Okay, what's up guys? So it is the next morning. Hank got me all set up here. We had a really nice chill night last night. Hank's sister Hannah and I were just sitting by the fire with the kids. David has been working on the boat, so he's almost finished. He's putting some new speakers and sound system in there, so I'm gonna show you guys. What's up?
Nothing. About to install some
boat stuff and our speakers.
Low frequency, high powered sound. This bad boy, we don't know how good it is. It's the cheapest we could find. So we'll let you know how
What
it
is
goes.
it? That's the sound system?
It's brand name's Pile. Hopefully it's not Pile.
Gonna have to bleep that out. There's Hannah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, David's installing this. Okay, so I did have to call Hank and FaceTime him and ask him how to turn this little cooker thing on, because I usually am not the one to do that, but I've got the cast iron heating up so I can make my breakfast. And yeah, I'm used to prepping the food when we go camping but not cooking it, so this is another first for me. So I'm cooking the bacon right now. And I just realized I've never cooked on a cast iron skillet before by myself. So there's another first. Alright, so now I have successfully cooked my first meal camping by myself on a cast iron skillet. And it looks pretty good. Alright, David got the speakers working on the boat. He's listening to a RotoCityTech video.
First up, we
Finally have
are going to be changing out.
Hard work paid off.
Right here. All it is these 4 bolts. 1, 2.
We hear Hank's voice. He's not with us, but we hear him.
Yeah, he's here with us in a way.
The new.
So yeah, we're super excited. Alright, we're just sitting out here. We're waiting for them to bring the boat over. And we've been sitting here for like 30 minutes and they're still not here. So we're just living our best life. Here's the kids out here playing, enjoying some time before we get on the boat. Of course, whenever we were at the campsite earlier, it was like really hot and we were super sweaty waiting to get on the water. And now that we're about to get on the water, it's really windy and the water's getting really choppy. So it's gonna be exciting. Exciting times. Okay guys, we've been down here at the beach. My feet are really sandy from having to walk back up. So I am about to use our outdoor shower just so that I can wash my feet off. The really nice thing about the outdoor shower is that I can wash myself off without having to get the inside of the camper dirty. Honestly, whenever it comes to trips like this, that's one of my favorite features about this camper. I'm a little bit of a clean freak, so that's really nice to me. But I'm gonna start prepping the cast iron skillet, and I'm going to make the little sausage and pepper potato meal that I usually make. Stay tuned for that. So here I've got our pretty much signature meal that we make whenever we're camping. Just some sausage, red potatoes, bell pepper, purple onion, salt and pepper, some garlic salt, and I'm gonna chop this all up, put it over in the cast iron skillet, and start to grill it up. Alright, I've got everything all chopped up. Super pretty. About to pour it all in here. Alright, so it's cooking up pretty good here. It's a little hard for me to judge because, as I said this morning, I'm not used to being the one that cooks. I prepare it. I'm the one that chops all that up, but Hank is the one that cooks it all. So this has been a little bit of a challenge, but I think it's going okay. I'm not used to cooking in the cast iron, so I'm not sure what exactly the change is. I let some Crisco heat up in there before I started putting all of this in here and cooking it. I do like a little bit of char on this meal. I feel like it gives it a little bit of a grilly taste. I have had to put 2 more helpings of Crisco than what I initially thought. And as this has continued to cook, it seems like there's not enough Crisco in here. I'll be honest, it is a lot more than what I initially thought whenever it comes to cooking outdoors, cooking in cast iron. I'm not used to this, so. Okay, so as you can see now, this is pretty nice and charred. It's not too burned. I'm about to put this in a little serving bowl. You can serve it in a tortilla if you're not really into keto or low carb. So now I've got that nice little dollop of sour cream on there. I've tore up a slice of cheese. Oh, and I'd like to say one more thing before all the keto people try to come at me and be like red potatoes are not keto. I obviously know that. All right, we're making a fire.
Put this in there.
What is that?
Our old boat thingy.
Old boat thingy.
I don't know what it's called.
Radio?
Yes. Stop.
Hey.
Don't stand my.
Alright, survived another night in the camper by myself. Last night we ended up just making a fire. We sat around it for a little bit, had some fun, some good conversation. This morning we woke up and it was raining a little bit, so we're hoping that goes away, but it's looking pretty good, pretty promising. David is out here this morning cooking us breakfast on this thing.
Yeah, it's
Disco.
bigger than a.
Bigger than you thought?
Yeah. And he's cooking bacon on it.
Yep, bacon now,
And
eggs in a little bit.
And we had fun yesterday. We're gonna do the same thing today on the boat.
And who's coming today?
Hey!
Yay!
Uncle Ben!
Yep, so stay tuned for more updates later. Oh, and Hannah's about to make pancakes too, I think. Okay, so we got Hannah here making us some outdoor pancakes as well. So, I'm being spoiled today. having meals made for me. Good morning.
Good morning. It's gonna be good.
Alright, Hank is here. And we are about to drive up from our little area that we were chilling.
And go on the boat.
Yep, we're gonna go get him. So here we go. I'm driving this truck that I've never driven in 4-wheel drive. It's gonna be They're here! It's my Whittle and my Bay. What the? He's going hard at his first arrival, folks. Why?
Gotta catch up.
Why did you shave your face like that again?
Because this just fits the lake vibe.
Alright, so we found this area. Seems to be only accessible with a boat. And we got here. There's the little entrance area. Hank's taking Bella back there. But literally there's no vehicles. It's only boats right here. So this is a pretty cool little place for us to be able to hang out, chill with a boat, have the kids swim a little bit, us swim a little bit, so we're excited. Okay, David is making breakfast for us this morning. This nice little hash brown, bacon, egg scramble. And it smells great.
Looks great.
Looks great. We stayed up pretty late last night by the fire. So this breakfast is gonna be bomb. So Hannah and I were left with the kids and with the meal to cook for dinner. And so we're using their little wok thing. It can cook a lot for the sausage, squash, pepper meal. So everyone else has left us. They're trusting us with all of it, so we got it.
It'll be good.
Yep.